Thank you, Japan. So this is our new facility. As you can see, these are the kids at the World Gift Facility. This place will be used as a dwelling, a sleeping place for the kids, where they will be having the school. This is an apartment, and this is the place. This is our place here. These are the kids here at World Gift Facility. Okay. These are all the kids.